Why does SEO matter? It is imperative for brands to ensure they put out SEO-friendly content if they want to grow their consumer base. Consumers who don't already know about you will be more likely to find you through a search engine. Search engine optimization is vital in the digital age. If your content isn't specifically designed to be found by search engines, it won't be. Here's 3 steps to whip your content into SEO shape. Step 1. Good SEO needs a keyword to focus on. Think of a keyword that describes your product or service. Your keyword can be a number of words, but they need to be descriptive enough so that when someone sees them, they'll be able to know exactly what it is you offer. So you've narrowed your list down to a few keywords you think could work, but how do you choose your main one? A good way to find your main keyword is to ask yourself, what exactly do we offer people and how would they search for that product or service? Step 2 is to research your SEO keyword competitors. You found your keyword. Now consider who your competitors for this keyword are. A good way to start is to do some recon on other brands using the keyword you have chosen. Make sure to use incognito mode or else Google will use your past search history to influence the search results page. Once in incognito mode, type in the keyword you want to use. Ignoring any ad results at the top of the page, have a look at all the brands that appear on the first page. Those 10 or so results are your competition. The third and final step is to fill your content with your SEO keywords. Put your main keyword in your page title, put the keyword in your header, and put the keyword in the names of your images. It's time to create the content that will blow your competitors out the water. This is the most difficult and the most important part. Your content needs to be amazing. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to buff up your SEO skills. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. And if you're looking for more, visit www.mediaupdate.co.za to stay informed with the latest marketing, public relations, media, and social media news.